How much prime rib should I plan per person? I plan on cooking a prime rib for an upcoming dinner party for 8 adults. I would like to have enough beef leftover to make a soup or stew. I plan on cooking the prime rib to medium rare. Is it best to calculate the amount by the number of bones per person or by pounds? How much prime rib should I purchase to feed my guests?
Prime rib is usually sold two ways, bone in or bone out. For a bone in prime rib, an 8 pound should serve you well. For a bone out, 6 will do nicely. I would also highly recommend you refer to the prime rib narrative of Cooks Illustrated, the new best recipe book. See link 1. Quote, to learn how to prepare your roast. Edit, most restaurants that I have either had or seen prime ribs served at will offer 10 ounces or 12 ounces serving size, with some variations in the overall 8 to 16 ounces, 225 grams to 450 grams, range. Appetites will vary from person to person, and you may wish to not serve the heels, as they will be more well done than the center, though some guests may prefer this, so your mileage may vary. The very size of beef ribs makes serving them, bone in, impractical, as it results in a serving that is too thick for a single serving, though some restaurants do this for eye appeal. For your home dinner party, I would not recommend planning based on bone count. Even if you buy and cook your roast, bone in, your first cut after preparing and resting the meat should be to remove the bones from the roast. Since leftovers are goal you have set for this preparation, you may wish to then slice the roast, on the bias, about a 15 degrees to 20 degrees angle from perpendicular to the bone section, as it will produce a larger footprint on the plate. The ends will provide you with good meat to include in a soup or slice up for sandwiches. 7 pounds 3 ribs roast should make for 6 to 8 servings.